In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off profile view on TikTok. To turn off your profile view on TikTok, this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your TikTok. So once you open up your TikTok app, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see your profile icon over there. So I want you to go to your profile. So once you get to your profile, I want you to check the top right corner. I'm going to see 3 parallel lines over there. So I want you to tap on those 3 parallel lines. So once you tap on the lines, it brings out a menu for you. Then on here, you just want to tap on settings and privacy. So once you tap on the settings and privacy, then you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to where we have viewers. You can see we have it here. Just tap on these viewers. So once you tap on the viewers, then here you can see it says viewer history. You just want to turn this off. Once you tap on this, it will turn this off. This means you have successfully turned off your profile view on TikTok. So guys, this is how to actually turn off profile view on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.